So, welcome back, people, again to MG Sports TV. This is my World Cup / Copa America squad selection. This is my World Cup / Copa America squad selection. One, I have no inside information. I have no clue who Algorithms is going to pick. No one called me and give me any details or any information. Not like that. Me not call Algorithms, me not call nobody. Me don't know nothing. So this is just who I think I would want to see. So basically, as I said from the start of the program, this is my predicted squad. Now, remember, it is 26 players. I think them push it to 26 players for the Copa America. So just excluding 3 players for the World Cup qualifications. So because me kind of just put everything in one, I'm going to explain that to you when I do the squad list. Now, this video is done after England released their squad. And I know. Some more person are going to tell me, say, boy, this a person here. England has let that the person, this a person, that rate, whatever. Now, I'm doing this squad selection based off players that I think are close. I think, as I say, without any information. Players I think are close to representing us. Now, so if you don't see a particular player, yes, you're going to come in the comment section and ask me about a particular player. So maybe there and then I will answer that comment. Whew. So me get that out of the way. Fine. Now, let's get to the YouTube stuff. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Massive appreciation. Me just feel like I don't know if a cussing will come my way. Me know the cussing will come my way already, people. Anyways, and me, as I said, already accepted. Massive respect for the people who continue to support the channel. Really do appreciate it. Thank you very much for the continued support. Really enjoy this year so far. In the meantime, please do hit the like button since you're already here. Hit the subscribe button, and most definitely, you can also support us by sharing the content and also buying us a coffee. The link will be in the description, also in the comment section, and you can go there and buy the coffee if you want, if you choose so. That's one of the other ways of helping us. Anyways, let's get straight to the meat of the matter. I don't know, as me say, people, this video is done without no information, just what I think. I don't know, say, as well, Chris Smith and them man did I say, Chris Smith, Cyan Hall, who else? Nitro, man, I say me bright. We know that. So that's how you go. Anyways, let's get straight in the meat of the matter. Big up on yourself, people, and thank you very much for tuning in. Let's get straight off. Let's start off first with the goalkeepers. We are starting with the goalkeepers, people. We are starting with the goalkeepers. And I kind of think this is a part of kind of straightforward. This is a part of really straightforward. You can consider maybe one of the JPL keepers, but I do think that them kind of progress Conway Boys Clark now. If we don't realize how often we're seeing now, I think they kind of progress Boys Clark now to probably, look into the position. Andre Blake go up in a age, if you remember that, say, he might go up in a age. No. But, as you know, man himself, Andre Blake, Jamal Waite, and Kanaya Boise Clark. So those are the 3 goalkeepers. I personally don't think that there's no surprise here. These are the three goalkeepers who have been with the squad here and there. Maybe just Kemar Foster or Shaquan Davis would be in, out. Those 2 keepers would be in, out. But the most notable are players who have been more consistently been called would have been these 3 goalkeepers. And for these 3 of them, we probably going to keep all 3 of them for both Copa America and also the World Cup qualification. So I think that will most definitely remain as it is. So no. Let's get into the other part of the arguments are going to start. I don't think the arguments are going to start for defenders. We're going to go on to the defenders. I think when we reach to the midfielders, the little midfielder striker part, so that's how the arguments start. Anyways, defenders. So, as you know, people, I'm say it's a 26-man squad select. Defenders, let me see what defenders are there. Write down everything else, so I'm just going to count here for yourself. Defenders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8. 8 defenders. No, sorry, 9 defenders. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8? Really 8? Am I miss somebody? Am I missing someone? All right, remember on shoot. Damian Lowe. Yeah, I miss somebody. We definitely miss somebody. Anyways, Damian Lowe, Joel Latibodier, Michael Hector, Ethan Pinnock, Deshaun Bernard, Tavan Gray, and Dexter Lembe Kisa. Yes. So I know who may I miss now. I have one player on this list, which is Adrian Mariappa. My apologies, people. I think I have Mariappa on the list as well. So my sincere apologies. I don't know Mariappa kind of player coach type of thing. But I have Adrian Mariappa on this. People are going to cuss and say, why we are going there, whatever, you know, I think already. Anyways, Damian Lowe, I understand what's going on. I don't know if Damian Lowe will play as a centre back this time around, or Al Grimson might opt to push him in midfield again. So we're gonna that's gonna be one of the interesting talking point. Dexter Lembikisa, we know what to get from the youngster already. Michael Hector, cool, calm and composed. Ethan Pinnock, you know, funny enough, you know, we might see a Michael Hector, Ethan Pinnock defensive pairing. Sound interesting though. Sound interesting. 2 technically sound players, and put Damian Lowe right in front of them in a defensive midfielder position. I don't know, just me thinking outside of the box. Just me thinking outside of the box. Yeah. Greg Lay, so the missing left back would have been Amar Bell. We all know, unsure of his recovery time. No sense start recovery as already, but we don't want to force him back and make him end up lose out the first half of the season. So make him taking time and come back. I think Greg Lay is competent enough. Tavan Gray, Deshaun Bernard, and as I said, Mariappa. Even though Mariappa is not on your screen, but my apologies where that is concerned. So I one time I start them, I said, no man, somebody missing. So I start counting. Anyways, we don't say that name, that nobody on the still. But that is what my defense would look like. Let's now go into the midfield. As I said, people, I'm telling already, I am doing this video without any knowledge of who is being selected. As I said, England already selected squad, and we know all of who left out of the England squad. We know everybody left out of the England squad. But I can't just out of the blues and say, boy, this man and that man there. All because me feel like say boy I want him. But no, me have to think about the logical aspect of it now. How easy it is to get these players on board, receive documentation in such a short time. So all these factors put in place. So me go with players when me know say, yo, strong possibility, we will see these players coming in. So let's go for the midfielders. As you can see, let's start off with Bobby Reid. I don't know, most consistent Reggae Boyz for the past two seasons. John Russell. So me kinda bringing back John Russell. In some sense of numbers, me kinda bringing back John Russell. For just numbers sake, you know, but we still have it's still quality, so we still have to see what he has to offer. Daniel Johnson, Keroy Anderson, Casey Palmer, and now the 2 players where I think a lot of persons are gonna say, hey, what? How them man they pop up? Who them man? So Dujuan Sterling, listen, as I say, people, I work with the information. It's just a player who I think I would want to see in our midfield. It's a player who I believe or I think I would want to see in our midfield. I know a lot of persons have said, hey, but MG's a right back. No, I would implore you to go and check the last 10 games you have played for Rangers. He's played in the central midfield. Right back is natural position. But if you go and look, what the player name for Rangers right back, man? I don't remember him. And my name is, miss no game. Every game he play. Every game player. When Dujuan Sterling do come on in midfield, and when he do start in midfield, sometimes right wing, sometimes even right wing, or attacking midfield, central midfield. Anyways, now the next player, a player who people are beating me for every time, regular, and not because we're not cost me put the player. No. None at all. It's a player I would want to see him in the squad. And the reason I'm adding him in the squad is because he can come and play. Documentations are good. Everything is good. So he can come and play. It's just boiled down to his decision. Will he come and play though? That's a big question. Will he come and play? That is where my question marks pop up. And that is the reason why people cuss more than video, because that is where my question mark. I would want to see him come and play. Remember, he's an Arsenal player. People, I don't feel like why. I shouldn't rate you, but anyways, may I say. Anyways, let's get so Omar Hutchinson would have been the last one on the list. I'm happy. I would love to see back Kira Anderson because I think Kira Anderson is maturing at a rapid rate. So I would definitely love to see Kira Anderson jump in. Next up, we're gonna go with the forwards. Let's go with the forwards, people. Forward, let's go forward line. Enough. Hey, here and now, hear the trouble. No, let me tell you this from now, people. We know say we're not gonna say, boy, how this man did what the man did. I'm glad to have my squad. Let's go. Demarai Gray. He is the first name to be on the list. Demarai Gray and any 11. any 11. Boza, our leading, our prolific goal scorer, and score most high goal for way. Mikel Antonio, not a prolific goal scorer, but the workman and the engine like in the forward line. Ronaldo Cephas, we need PS. We definitely need PS. Once we have your PS out wide, because I don't know, as you can see from my list, there's no Leon Bailey. So we have to replicate the PS. And I think Cephas is a perfect option. Now, why no Bailey? The man don't say nah come. So me not go force the issue. The man don't say nah come. And as a man, stick by my word. Stick by my word as well. He say nah come, not in my squad. Anyway, Kemar Roof, my brother from another mother. We definitely love to see him back. Come back on the field now. Come back, he's now fit and firing. We love to see him back in the squad. Jamalo, well known what Jamalo has to offer. Hopefully he's fully fit. Devante Cole, interesting one. Really, really good goal scorer. And he's a player that I like to see. Now, for me now, these two players now, as you know, I'm a big advocate for youths. And with such a big squad, a 26-man squad. Jeez, man, come on. A 26-man squad. A 26-man squad. I'm going to include two youths tonight. But that'd be wicked. 19 and 18-year-old. 19 and 18-year-old. So 19-year-old Kaheim Dixon. Cost me, only can cost me all you know what. And 18-year-old Dujuan Richards. And it can cost me all you know what. One, this look on the strike force. I'm missing more players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 senior strikers. 7 senior forwards. 7, you know. And we have 2 extra youth strikers. Now, it means if Dujuan Richards or Kaheim Dixon play, we'd have to have a huge injury crisis for them 2 players there. If we go rely upon them 2 players there. So all will come in the comment section and say, boy, them look youth and ready yet and ready. Me understand on the thought. But what are the chances of them playing when Devante Cole, senior, way more experienced player than both of them. Jamalo, way more experienced player than both of them. Cephas, more experienced player than both of them. Mikel Antonio, more experienced player than both of them. And more than likely go play over them. Boza, more than likely go play over them. Demarai Gray, more than likely go play over them. So, people are going to know, so why care them if you don't plan to play them? You can't play everybody. You cannot play everybody. You only, you have 5 changes. 5 changes, 11 players on the bench, on the pitch, and 5 changes. So that's a total of, and then you exclude the goalkeeper. So you're only available to play 15 players at any given match. At any given match. Which means, if you forward line, a 3 forward or 4 forward you have at any given time. And you can rotate between all your forward them before you can consider to play any little with them. So guess what? For me, I put the 2 of them in there. You can't cost all you know what. Cost from now to next year. Me, I bring the 2 of them in there. Yes, that is my thoughts on it. Anyway, so that certainly is what is my 26-man squad. So if you boil down to say, the World Cup qualifiers, which is probably going to revert back to like 23, let me just tell you who I'm going to tick off. Maybe I'm going to say, all right, you're going. Because the World Cup is kind of closer. Maybe I say, boy, just maybe. Who may I take off? Oof. Also, I take off a look at them. I take off a look at them. Let me say, probably Mariapa, because they have a lot of defenders. Already have a lot of defenders. And probably John Russell. Just saying. Just them 2 players. Anyways. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, people, Go in the comment section, tell us what you think, and make sure you support us by hitting that like button, hitting the subscribe button, and share the content if you can or if you feel so. And if you can, please support us by buying us a coffee. Link in the description and also in the comment section. Big up on yourself. People, MG Sports TV, have a wonderful day. God bless. Boom.